Hey, welcome back. Now, this lecture right here is a game changer. If you truly understand this, you can train almost any behavior in your pet. So, stay with me. This is where you start thinking like a professional trainer. Let me start with a simple question. Why does your pet repeat some behaviors and completely ignore others? It comes down to just one thing: consequences. Your pet is always learning from what happens after they do something. Here's the core rule of pet training: behaviors that are rewarded get repeated, behaviors that are not rewarded fade away. That's it. That's the only secret. Now let's break this into two powerful concepts. First, conditioning. Actually, how learning happens. Conditioning is simply how your pet connects action with outcomes. There are two main types, but don't worry, I'll keep this super simple. Association learning. For example, you pick up the leash, your dog gets excited. You open a food packet, your cat appears instantly. They have learned to connect one thing with another. This is happening all the time, whether you realize it or not. Second is reinforcement, how behavior is strengthened. Now, this is where the magic happens. Reinforcement means anything that makes a behavior more likely to happen again. And the most powerful type, positive reinforcement. That means you add something good after a behavior. For example, dog sits, you give a treat. Cat uses litter box, you give praise or a reward. Result? They think that worked, I'll do it again. Now here's a mistake most people make. They focus too much on stopping bad behavior. Instead, you should focus on rewarding good behavior because your pet learns faster from success than from punishment. Let's make this real for you. Imagine this. Your dog jumps on guest. What most people do? No, stop. Get down. What the trainer does? Wait for calm behavior and reward instantly. Now the dog learns. Calm means reward, not jumping attention. Next is timing. Timing is everything. If you reward too late, your pet gets confused. So remember, reward within 1 or 2 seconds of the behavior. That's how you clearly mark the action. One activity for you guys. Try this today. Ask your pet to do something simple, like sit or come. The moment they do it, reward immediately. Repeat it 3 to 5 times. Watch how fast they start understanding. It's honestly amazing. And here's a powerful mindset shift. You are always training your pet, even when you don't realize it. So every reaction you give is teaching them something. In the next lecture, we'll talk about the most common training mistakes, and trust me, avoiding those will save you weeks of frustration. So stay with me. Give your pet a reward right now. Yes, I'm serious. And I'll see you in the next lecture.